Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming it's a nomination-style modular bracelet. The links compress and pivot. Once identified, place the bracelet face down on a soft cloth and align a small tray for removed parts. Use a spring bar tool or thin tip to depress the tiny retaining tab, push toward the link edge while holding steady. You want controlled pressure, otherwise pins slip. Make sure to note each link orientation and order as you open them, because reassembly requires exact alignment. You now remove or add modules. To remove, depress the retaining tab and gently slide the pin out just enough to release the link. Don't pull free, keep the pin captive. Rotate the module to separate, exposing the internal spring or clip. When adding, align the module edges so the pin hole matches. Push pin through until the retaining tab engages. Once in, tug lightly to verify a secure snap. This method keeps link tension balanced and prevents misalignment later. You finish by reconnecting links in the exact original sequence. Orientation matters for comfort and clasp function. Insert each pin fully. If the tab won't seat, back the pin out slightly and reattempt with steady pressure. Once assembled, flex the bracelet gently across your hand to confirm links move but don't separate. If a pin is stuck, apply a drop of light oil and work it free, or use a small plastic mallet for a single gentle tap. If problems persist, stop and consult a jeweler.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.